Students, a very good morning to you all and welcome to science class. In last class we have seen up to cleanliness. In today's class we are going to see using toilets. Take page number 90. Look at that. Using toilets. In the world, nearly 1 billion people have no access to toilet at all and they are forced to do open defecation. 1 billion people nearly don't have a toilet, so they are forced to open defecation. Open defecation means they are going motion in a outside place. That is said here. Next, open defecation spreads diseases such as cholera and diarrhea. If we go motion in an outside place mean it will cause a disease like cholera and diarrhea is said here. Groundwater is polluted by toilets and it also causes diseases. What they have said, toilet means what? In our bathroom we will have a separate portion that to go a motion, that is toilet. That toilet to affect a groundwater, how means our motions and all will go to a ground only, that will cause groundwater polluted. Okay, next, children also get affected by intestinal worms which cause anemia. If we go motion in a outside place means children are affected by intestinal worms. Intestinal worms means in our stomach there is a worm will form. Okay, worm will form and suck our energy, so it cause anemia. Anemia means low blood only will cause anemia, so it is necessary to use toilets. So each and everyone must use toilet, should not go motion in a open place is said in this para. Next one, look at down. Do you know World Toilet Day is observed on November 19. World Toilet Day is November 19. Next, why is it important to have a toilet? They ask us a question. Why important to have a toilet? Having a toilet prevents disease like cholera. If we have toilet at our home means it prevents a disease like cholera. Offers privacy. Privacy means if you go motion in an outside place means many of you will affect by disease and most of them will see you. So if you use toilet in your home means it offers privacy. Next, it is convenient. It is convenient, no. Next, it is safe. How safe means if we go motion at outside place means it will cause cholera, diarrhea and more diseases and industrial worm too. If we go motion in a toilet means at home means it is safe. Not at home, even public places also toilets are there. What should we do to wash out the industrial worms? What they are asking, how to avoid industrial worms? To avoid industrial farms, we should use a toilet and avoid open defecation. First point is we should use toilet and avoid open places. We should wash our hands after using the toilets. After going toilet, we have to wash your hands properly using soaps. These will help us to have a healthy life. If we maintain these habits means we have a healthy life. Next, look at down. Do you know National Deworming Day is observed on February 10. Deworming means in our intestine worm will form, no. That is deworming means in our intestine a small in worm will not form. That is deworming day is observed on February 10. Okay, look at down. More to know, some information is given. Sulabh International Museum of Toilets is in Delhi. That means Sulabh is a international museum name. In there, more toilets varieties and all kept here. In place Delhi, it exhibits different toilet models from 50 countries across the world. It have 50 countries, 50 countries toilet model is exhibited, is shown here in this museum, spanning from 3000 BC till the 20th century. 3000 BC to till 20th century it is there. Now 21st century now. BC means before Christ birth. Okay. Now move on to page number 91. Next topic we are moving, bathing. Discuss with the group. That means to our friends we have to discuss at a school. Why do we take bath? Asking a question. Why it is important to take bath daily? Why we have to bath daily? Why do we use soap to clean our body? Next, they have given answers. See, importance of bathing, cleanliness of the body. If we bath means our body will be clean. Removes dirt and odor. Removes dirt means dust and odor means bad smell and all is there. No, that will clean by bathing. Protects oneself from infection. Protects from infection. How? We use soap while bathing. So soap will kill the germs. So it protects oneself from infection. Improves blood circulation. If we bath means our body blood circulation will increase and it is good for our health. Next, given in below, see, do you know World Health Day is observed on April 7. World Health Day is observed on April 7. Okay. Next, in a orange color box they have given, see, safety measures in bathroom. Students, it is mainly for you. In bathroom, what are all the habits you should avoid? Do not play with water or run around in the bathroom. You may get hurt. In bathroom, you should not play with the water and you should not run. If you done both anything means you will hurt. How? If you run in a bathroom means you will fall down and it will hurt you. Next, do not touch the sharp objects such as blades, razors and scissors kept in the bathroom. In bathroom, our parents will keep no blades, razors, scissors and all that you should not touch. If you touch means it will hurt you. So you should not touch it. Use hot water under the supervision of an adult only. What they have told, if you take bath in hot water means you should under the control of your parents. Then only you should take hot water bath. Do not leave soap bar on the floor. Someone may slip due to it. If you put soaps in the floor means downside means someone will slip and they will get injured. So you should not put soap in floor. Do not leave the bathroom floor wet. That means bathroom floor should not be watery. It should be dry. Dry the floor using a wiper before you leave. Before you coming out from a bathroom, you make sure that bathroom is wet. Without wet. Do not touch electrical switches with wet hands. What? You should not touch. Switch and all is there? No. In not at all in bathroom. In all the places, you should not touch the switch with the watery hand. You may get hurt with an electrical shock. If you touch with the watery hand means you will get an electrical shock. Okay, student. Down they have given a activity, small activity. Put a tick for the correct action and cross for the wrong action. First one, a small boy is going urine outside a toilet. It is a wrong habit, so you have to put a cross mark. Next, a small boy is going toilet correctly in a toilet, so it is a correct one, you have to put a tick mark. Next, a small boy is sitting properly in a toilet. It is a correct action, so you have to put a tick mark. Next, a small boy is touching a electrical board. It is a wrong habit, so you have to put a cross mark. Next, see, a small boy washing his leg by keeping it inside a sink. It is very very dangerous, so it is a wrong habit. You have to put a cross mark on the box. Next, see, a small boy sitting upon the toilet. It is very wrong habit, so you have to put a cross mark on it. Okay student, now once again I recap it using toilets. What they have told, you must use toilet. You should not go motion in a outside area. If you go motion in a outside area means you will have some diseases like cholera, diarrhea and industrial worm. To avoid it, you have to use toilet. That is same here. Next, page number 91, bathing. Bathing helps us to keep our body healthy without dirt and odor, and improves blood circulation also, and cleans the body. Okay students, I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class. Thank you student.